Hello and welcome. This is Video Game Programming 10. This is offered at Archbishop Jordan High School and also as an online version. What you're seeing here is the online version, and I'm Mr. Chan, the lead instructor. To begin, you need to have the software, and the software we'll be using is Unity. This is a fantastic game development program, and you can create both 2D and 3D games with this particular software. So first off, go to unity.com and click on Get Started. On this page, select Individual and select Student and Sign Up. You will need a Unity ID in order to use the software. After you sign up, you will log in and here, download the program. If you do not get this particular screen, simply go in Google search and type Unity download, and you'll be taken to this site. Select the Download Unity Hub. Once this is downloaded, open it up and you will get this particular interface. You will not have any projects yet. Here you can go to the Unity projects and tutorial page. But most important, click on installs. Select add and then check the software version that you need. I would suggest the latest version, which is 2019, and a copy of the 2018 version. You can do it one after the other. Select next. The software will install automatically, and when you come back, you will get the software version on this particular screen. And that's it for installation. If you have any difficulties or problems or something you do not understand or something just is not working, send me a message through Google Classroom. And until then, bye for now.